Hey common man, welcome back to another unboxing. This is the first ever iPad in my life. Let's unbox it. Here comes the beast.
This is iPad Air M3.
Some paperwork, Type-C to Type-C cable, charger in the box, Now let's get some accessories for this iPad. A small stylus from Amazon, Type-A to Type-C cable, it charges via Type-C cable at the bottom. The stylus comes with magnet so it sticks to iPad. User manual. Let it charge first. Meanwhile, let me unbox a cover for this iPad. Obviously, this is also from Amazon.